Hello everyone, today I am here to teach you one of the new chapters from maths called Ratio and Proportion. This is for class 10 students. Here I have taken two questions which I will be solving today. So before I start solving questions, these two questions, I would like to welcome you all in my online class. Here the first question which I have taken is find the ratio and determine the types of ratio. We got here 4 months and 1 year 6 months. We got the two things here, okay? 4 months and 1 year 6 months, right? What we need to do, we need to find the ratio of these two numbers. So after finding the ratio of these two numbers, what we need to do, we need to determine types of ratio there. What type of ratio they are, right? So this is the things we need to do it. So here, before I start solving these questions, let me tell you some of the things related to the types of ratio. If we talk about the types of ratio, right? So here in case of types of ratio, we have three types of ratio, okay? We have ratio of equality. Number two, in case of ratio of equality, what we understand here, if we take two numbers, right? That is A and B. If we take A and B as two numbers, and when we find the ratio, okay, that is A is to B. In case of ratio of equality, A is to B, right? So here what you understand, the thing is A is equals to B. A is equals to B. Or so here what you understand, 1 is to 1. So in case of ratio of equality, the answer will be 1 is to 1. Why? Here when we take two quantities, both the quantities will be equal. That is A and B will be equal in case of ratio of equality. Number two, when you talk about the number two, that is types of ratio. Number two, we have got ratio of less than inequality. Ratio of less than inequality. Now here, when we talk about the ratio of less, in case of ratio of less than equality, so here it will be not then, but it will be ratio of less inequality. So here what you understand, if we take A is to B is the ratio, okay? So here what you understand, A by B is less than 1. A by B is less than 1. So here what you understand, here we understand that is A is less than B. A is less than B. A is less than B. That is numerator is less than denominator. Now here in case of number third, that is third type of the ratio, we have got ratio of greater inequality. Ratio of greater inequality, right? So here when we talk about the ratio of greater inequality, let's take that A and B is the ratio. So here what you understand, A by B is greater than 1, right? A by B is greater than 1. And another things what you understand, A by B is greater than 1 and A is greater than B. A is greater than B. So here what you understand, numerator is greater than denominator, and in this case numerator is less than denominator. Now here in this case, that is ratio of equality, numerator and denominator both are equal. Now here the question which we have is 4 months and 1 year 6 months. So here we got the question that is 4 months and 1 year 6 months. So here we got the two types of the units here. The first one we got the month, and second we got year and month. So here at the first, what we'll do, we need to convert them into same types of the units. Unless we'll not convert them into same type of the units, we will not get the correct answer. So here we'll see the smaller unit at the first. So we have month and year. So which one is smaller? So what we understand, the month is smaller, right? So the month part will keep as it is, 4 month, right? 4 month is to, then we are asked to find ratio, so I am writing it is to 1 year 6 month, right? 1 year. We got 1 year. We know that 1 year equals to 12 months. 1 year equals to 12 months, right? So here 1 into 12. Then we got here 6 month here. So plus 6, right? It will be month here. Now this is 4 month as it is to 1/12, 12 plus 6 will be 18 month here. 18 month, right? Now when we'll find 4 month ratio, 4 month by 18 month, 4 month by 18 month, so it will be 2 to the 4, 2 9 the 18. Even month will get cancelled, so we'll get here 2:9. 2:9. That this can be written like, let's write it in fraction at the first. We'll get here 2/9, right? That can be written 2:9. Now we need to determine what type of ratio it is. 2:9. So we got the numerator 2 and denominator 9. So numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is less than denominator. Here we got numerator is less than denominator. So what you understand? Ratio of less inequality. Ratio of less inequality. So we'll say that therefore it is ratio of less inequality. It is ratio of less inequality, right? Inequality. It is ratio of less inequality. So this is the solution for these questions. Now another one which you have here, let's talk about another question. The second question which you got here, if A is to B equals to 2:3, B is to C equals to 4:5, and C is to D equals to 6:7. So in part of solutions, let's talk it about this. What we have here, we got A is to B equals to 2:3. This can be written A by B equals to 2/3. Another part we got here, B is to C equals to 4:5. This can be written as B by C equals to 4/5. And the last one we have here, C is to D equals to 6:7. This can be written as C by D equals to 6/7. So this is the thing we got here, right? We are asked to find the ratio of A is to D. A is to D. What we need to find? We need to find the value of A is to D. So before we start finding the value of A is to D, here let's see. A value is how much? 2. And B value is 3. Here B value is how much? B value is how much here? 4. And C value is how much? 5. And C value is how much here? 6. And D value is how much here? 7. So let's do it here. What we'll do here? Therefore, A by B, LHS part. A by B into here. First I am taking this one. A by B into, then this one. B by C into, then we got this one. That is C by D. C by D equals to, we took the LHS part from all three. Now what we'll do? We'll take this RHS part. That is 2/3 into, here we got 4/5 into, then we got here 6/7. This one, right? At the first, what I took here, I took the LHS part, A by B into, B by C into, C by D. Now second steps, what I am doing after equals to, I am taking RHS part, that is 2/3 into 4/5 into 6/7. So here what you need to focus on, you need to focus on that the first part I have taken LHS and they are in multiplication form. The second part I have taken RHS and they are also in multiplication form. If the first part is in multiplication form, the second part should also be in the multiplication form. The first part, if the first part should be, if the first part would be in divisional form, then second part should also be in divisional form. Now let's see here what we can do here. This B will get cancelled, right? Even this C will get cancelled. Now from here, can we cancel anything? Yes, let's see here. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Anything more? Is it possible? It's not possible. We got here 5, 2, 4, 7. Not possible. So what do we understand here? A by D. A by D. Now is it possible to cancel here? No. So 2 4s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Right? 2 4s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Now 5 7s are 35. So therefore, A is to D equals to 16 is to 35. So this is the solution for this question. So I hope you are able, I hope it is understandable to everyone. If there is any doubt in understanding this, you can you can comment me in my YouTube channels. Okay, I'll come with all the solutions and I'll try to clear your doubts. Thank you everyone.